Teak is an excellent wood to use for outdoor furniture or in any high humidity areas such as bathrooms, saunas, or laundry rooms. However, after a while, the warm, rich beauty of the teak starts to fade and you end up with a weathered gray look. However, this weathered look can be avoided with some very simple maintenance techniques that I'm going to show you today. First thing we want to do is get this cleaned up, remove any dust or dirt or debris that's built up, and you can easily do that with some soapy water and a soft bristled brush. After we've got this cleaned up and we've let it dry out, we want to run our hands over it. If you find anything that's a little rough, you can take some 150 grit sandpaper and smooth it out. Now that everything's cleaned up and sanded down, we're going to apply some teak oil. All you need is the oil and a cotton cloth. Now you want to be very generous with this oil. The wood is really going to soak this up. So about 10 minutes after that first coat, you want to put on a second coat of tung oil. That's going to make sure that we get plenty of oil soaked into this wood. Anytime you're working with finishing products, you really should be wearing protective gloves. I forgot to put them on for the first coat, but I'm going to be wearing them for the second. All right, so about 10 minutes after that second coat, you want to come back and just wipe the piece down with a clean cloth, just to remove any excess oil that hasn't absorbed into the wood. You should only have to do this process about once a year, but you can do it more frequently if you start to see the wood getting that gray weathered appearance. So I hope you liked this video. Some real quick tips on how to maintain teak furniture. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time for some more woodworking videos.